Hi there, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi A1 Sportback Black Edition 25 TFSI with the 5-speed manual transmission. Now this particular example is also finished in the fantastic turbo blue paintwork, which has really given this little car that fantastic standout road appearance. Now moving on to the key features, and with this being the Black Edition model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional Black Edition stylings such as the front bumper design and rear diffuser. As well as this, you do get the additional black elements such as the roof, wing mirror caps, window surrounds and front grille. Moving on now and looking towards the front of the vehicle, we do find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we do find these fantastic alloys which are 18-inch 5.7 rotor design, and they do really complement that lovely bright blue paintwork. Now to the side of the A1 there is also that rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view and continues this overall black and blue theme. Now moving into the rear boot space of the A1 Sportback, where we find up to 335 litres of storage space, which is a large amount for a smaller vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 smaller carry-on cases and a few additional shopping bags. Taking a look into the rear now, we find a half-leather interior with the additional cloth elements in the centre. There is also Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row. This makes this vehicle perfect for family usage, as well as having ample legroom either side for both rear passengers. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, cloth, aluminium and gloss black. And with this being the Black Edition model, it does mean you get these sports seats with the light grey stripes and the Audi Sports logo. Above now there is the virtual cockpit display, in which does feature the 2 digital rev counters, as well as this having access to your telephone connectivity and radio stations as well. Now moving towards the centre of the dashboard, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which does feature connectivity such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as having your media and radio options also there. And just below this we find the fantastic climate control, which is very easily adjustable. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi A1 Sportback Black Edition, which is now available at Stafford Audi.